That feeling of being full, heavy, and stuck. It's more than just discomfort. It's your body sending a distress signal. But what if the solution wasn't in a chemical-laden pill, but in your own kitchen? For years, you might have been told to just eat more fiber, but that often leads to more bloating. The real secret lies in specific, timed liquids that act as internal signals, telling your digestive system to wake up and finally let go. Today, I'm revealing 7 powerful drinks backed by both tradition and science that can help you find relief often within hours. This isn't about a quick fix. It's about giving your body the natural tools it truly needs to heal and flow again. The problem with pills and the power of natural drinks. Let's be clear. Over-the-counter laxatives are a short-term trap. They work by aggressively irritating your intestinal lining or forcing muscles to contract, which can damage nerves over time and create a dependency your body forgets how to function on its own. The drinks you'll learn today work in harmony with your biology. They are designed to rehydrate the colon, making stool soft and easy to pass. Stimulate natural peristalsis, those gentle wave-like muscle contractions that should happen automatically. Provide soluble fiber that acts like a soft brush, sweeping the colon clean. Deliver nutrients that reduce gut inflammation and feed your good bacteria. This is the difference between forcing a door open and simply oiling the hinges. One breaks the lock. The other restores it to perfect, long-lasting function. Drink number 1, the Morning Spark, lemon and olive oil. Elixir. Your first drink of the day should be this powerful morning spark. But before I give you this incredibly effective recipe, I want to share something fascinating. Right now, 99% of the people watching this are learning this powerful secret without being subscribed. We have a huge, exciting goal to reach 100,000 subscribers by the end of the month, and we absolutely cannot do it without you. If you're ready to finally feel lighter, solve your bloating, and take control of your gut health, please show your support. Hit that subscribe button and like this video right now. Let's build the most powerful natural health community on YouTube together. Now for the recipe you've been waiting for. As soon as you wake up before coffee or food, prepare this. Juice of half a fresh lemon, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 cup of warm, not hot water. Mix and drink it immediately. The lemon stimulates your liver to produce bile, a natural laxative. The olive oil lubricates the intestinal tract, helping stool slide out effortlessly. Many people feel the urge to go within 30 to 60 minutes of drinking this. It's your body's natural wake-up call. Drink number 2, the internal sweeper flaxseed tea. If your system feels particularly clogged, you need the internal sweeper. Don't use ground flax here. Add 1 tablespoon of whole flax seeds to 1.5 cups of water. Boil for 10 minutes, then strain the seeds out. You'll be left with a slightly thick gel-like water. This gel is mucilage, a soluble fiber that coats the colon, soothing inflammation and gently pushing old waste forward. It's one of the most effective and gentlest ways to encourage movement without a single cramp. Drink number 3, the sweet regulator, prune and apple, smoothie. For a drink that feels like a treat but works like medicine, try this in the evening. Blend 4 pitted pre-soaked prunes with half a cup of unsweetened apple juice and a little water. Prunes contain sorbitol, a natural sugar alcohol that draws water into the colon. Combined with the fiber in both prunes and apples, this creates an osmotic effect, softening stool, and promoting a comfortable bowel movement the following morning. It's perfect for rebuilding a regular rhythm. Drink number 4, the Hydration Booster Chia Detox Water. This drink is a masterclass in hydration and fiber. Stir 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into 1.5 cups of water with a teaspoon of fresh lime juice. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes until it forms a gel. Drink this between meals. The chia seeds can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, creating a gel that hydrates the colon from within and forms a soft, bulky stool that's easy to pass. The lime adds a cleansing boost of vitamin C. Drink number 5. The Digestive Fire Igniter, Ginger and Honey Tea. If your constipation is due to sluggish digestion or a cold gut, you need to stoke your internal fire. Simmer a few thin slices of fresh ginger in water for 10 minutes. Strain and stir in 1 teaspoon of raw honey once it's cool enough. Ginger contains gingerols that stimulate gastric activity and intestinal contractions. The raw honey acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. This is your go-to drink if you feel cold and digestion feels slow and stagnant. Drink number 6. The Gut Soother, Aloe Vera Juice Shot. For that frustrating feeling of incomplete emptying, Aloe Vera is a revelation. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons of pure inner leaf aloe vera juice. Dilute it in a small glass of water and drink on an empty stomach. Aloe vera is intensely soothing and anti-inflammatory for the gut lining. It helps relax the intestines and promotes a complete, smooth transit. A word of caution: start with a small dose as its effects can be potent for some. Drink number 7, the Ayurvedic tonic, Fennel and Cumin seed water. This ancient Ayurvedic remedy is the ultimate solution for a sensitive stomach plagued by gas and bloating. Boil half a teaspoon each of fennel and cumin seeds in 2 cups of water for 5 minutes. Strain and sip warm after meals or before bed. Fennel relaxes the intestinal muscles, while cumin stimulates the production of digestive enzymes. Together, they reduce spasms, expel gas, and ensure a smooth flow from stomach to colon. It's incredibly gentle and safe for daily use. Your personal gut rescue plan, a step-by-step guide. Now that you have these 7 powerful drinks in your toolkit, the most common question is, where do I start? Throwing everything at your gut at once can be overwhelming. Instead, let's build a smart, strategic plan that works with your body, not against it. Step 1. Start simple and listen closely. Don't feel pressured to try all 7 at once. This is a journey of discovery. Choose the one drink that most resonates with your specific situation. Are you most bloated in the morning? Start with the morning spark. Do you struggle with sluggish digestion after meals? The Ayurvedic tonic might be your perfect match. Commit to your chosen drink for 2 to 3 days and pay close attention to the signals your body sends back. This isn't a race. It's about finding your personal key to relief. Step 2. Master the timing. Work with your body's clock. Your digestive system has its own natural rhythms, and timing these drinks correctly is like catching the perfect wave. Morning elixirs, drinks number 1 and number 2. These are designed to capitalize on the gastrocolic reflex, a natural signal your body sends to your colon after waking up and/or eating. Using these drinks in the morning gives this reflex a powerful supportive nudge. Evening brews, drink number 3. These work gently overnight. While you sleep, the soluble fiber and natural sugars have time to hydrate and soften stool, preparing you for a successful morning. Step 3. Hydrate relentlessly, the non-negotiable foundation. Think of these drinks as specialized tools, but water is the fuel that makes every single one of them work. Without proper hydration, the soluble fiber in drinks like chia seeds and flaxseed can actually have the opposite effect and become constipating. Your goal is to support their action, so make sure you're sipping on plain water throughout the day, aiming for that 6 to 8 glasses as your foundation. Step 4. Move your body. Activate your second heart. Your gut muscles respond to physical movement. A simple 15 to 20 minute walk each day can be as important as any drink you take. Walking uses your core and leg muscles, which in turn stimulates the nerves in your digestive tract, encouraging those natural wave-like contractions, peristalsis, that move everything along. It's a free, powerful, and side effect free remedy. Your body is unique. It will communicate with you. You might find one drink works miracles for you, while another has little effect. That's not a failure. It's valuable data. This plan is your map, but your body's responses are the compass. Trust them, and you will build a gut health routine that gives you back your freedom and comfort for the long term. Living with constipation is a quiet struggle that drains your energy and dims your spirit, but you now hold the keys to change. These 7 drinks are more than recipes. They are invitations to a conversation with your body to finally give it the gentle, natural support it has been craving. Don't just accept this discomfort as normal. You deserve to feel light, energized, and free. Now, I'm genuinely curious. Which of these 7 drinks are you most excited to try first? The Morning Spark, the Internal Sweeper, or perhaps the Ayurvedic Tonic? Let me know in the comments your choice might inspire someone else to start their journey. If you're ready to transform your gut health and discover more natural, powerful secrets that truly work, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. We have so much more to share, including an upcoming video on breakfasts that make you poop. Thank you for watching, and here's to your freedom and flow.